So mode of grouped data, it is not possible to make an exact mathematical determination of the mode. The value of the mode may be approximated by the formula mode is equal to lower limit of the modal class plus the frequency of the mode minus frequency sub 1 divided by 2 times FMO minus F sub 1 minus F sub 2 times C. So what are the meaning of all of this? We'll talk about it one by one. So, step number 1. Identify the modal class. How to identify the modal class? Choose which class has the highest frequency. In our first example, like what we had in finding for the median, same set of classes. So 10 to 19, 20 to 29, 30 to 39, 40 to 49, 50 to 59, 60 to 69, 70 to 79, 80 to 89. Now look at the frequency and try to find out which has the highest frequency. So 2, 3, 5, 8, 15, 7, 6, 4. So the highest frequency is 15, and that is in 50 to 59 class. Therefore, this is our modal class. So we have already identified our modal class. So let's move on to step number 2. Get the lower boundary or limit of the modal class. This is L sub MO. So step number 2, let's get the lower limit of our modal class. So this is the lowest, 50. So it should not be going down but going up because 49 is lower than 50. So again, you can do it as 50 plus 49, 99 divided by 2 will give you 49.5. So this is your LMO. After getting your lower limit or lower boundary, moving on to step number 3, identify these three frequency. Frequency of the modal class. So let's begin with FMO. So 15, this is your F sub MO, frequency of the modal class. And then frequency F sub 1 is the frequency of the class before the modal class. So before, this is 40, so it should be the one above 15. So this is your F sub 1. And identify your F sub 2, frequency of the class after the modal class. So after the modal class is 60 to 69, therefore this is your F sub 2. And after identifying these three, step number 4 is identify the size of the class interval. This is the C. So the class interval is again 89 minus 80 plus 1 gives you 10, or like 10, 20, 30, 40. So the interval from each class is 10. So C equals 10. And after identifying your C in step number 4, step number 5, solve for the mode using the formula mode is equal to LMO plus FMO minus F sub 1 divided by 2 FMO minus F sub 1 minus F sub 2 times C. Okay, let's try to solve using this formula. So mode is equal to LMO plus FMO minus F sub 1 divided by 2 times, okay, FMO, minus F sub 1 minus F sub 2 times C. Substituting for the value. So L or the lower limit is 49.5 plus the mode of your modal class, the frequency of your modal class 15 minus frequency above your modal class 8 divided by 2 times frequency of your mode, which is 15, minus f sub 1, which is 8, minus f sub 2, the one below, which is 7, times the class interval of 10. So is equal to 49.5 plus 15 minus 8 gives you 7 divided by 2 times 15 is 30 minus 15 is 15 times 10. So try to compute using your calculator and you will get your mode is approximately 54.17. So your mode is also here, like in your median a while ago, your answer is within your median class, and this time your answer 54.17 is also within your modal class. Okay, so that's very easy. So you just follow the steps and try to do exercise 1.